Next question, we go for 2b. Show that when you're having a piecewise function, so the first step, you have to draw your interval, state it clearly. Less than 2 is a quadratic function. More than 2 is a linear function. So is it differentiable at x equals to 2? When it asking differentiable, means they're asking our first principle of differentiation using the concept of limit. So the formula of first principle, it will be equals to this, where our a will be the value of 2. So means that you have to find out limit approaches 2 for the function minus the coordinate of 2 over x minus 2. And we can notice that our function at value of 2, left hand side and right hand side is different. So we have to do it left hand side and right hand side separately. Then only we can conclude the limit for x approaches 2. So look at the formula here. The first thing we have to achieve is f2. So where's the coordinate for f2? So when x equals to 2, the coordinate happen at 3x squared plus 12. So 24 means what? Means this is equals to 24. So we're going to evaluate our limit when x approaches 2 from the left hand side first. So for the left hand side, you have to select your functions here. Your function here is a quadratic function. So try to simplify the function so that we can evaluate this value. We can substitute the value. So as you can notice that when we substitute our x equals to 2, is an IDF. So IDF means, and we're having a polynomial function, we can factorize this. So when I factorize 3, it gives you an x squared minus 4. The factor that you can simplify here is referring to the limit here. When x approaches 2 means you must able to simplify your factor x minus 2. So here we have factor x minus 2 to be simplified. After we simplify the function, we evaluate. So substitute these 2 inside. So this is our left hand side limit. Then we proceed to right hand side limit. Select the correct function here, fx. Right hand side is supposed to be a linear, which is 12x minus 24 over x minus 2. So same thing happened here. When we substitute 2, it will be an IDF function. So we simplify it, we factorize out 12, and then you can meet your factor of x minus 2 to be simplified. Limit to a constant will give you a constant 12. Then only we can conclude what happened to the limit approaches x equals to 2. Since left hand side and right hand side, they are equal, so limit approaches 2, it will be equals to 12. That means this function can be differentiable at x equals to 2.